Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. And I welcome you all to the math class. Are you enjoying the math class? I think so, yes. I'm sure you're enjoying the math class and you're understanding whatever sums we are doing in the math, right? So children, let us see what we are going to do today. We are going to continue chapter 4 from Math Magic, page number 56 to 58. So all of you open your book, open to page number 56 now. Okay, so children, in this page, that is page number 56, we have learned about meters and centimeters in the previous class, if you remember. Yes, so you have got some idea regarding centimeters and meters. So can you tell me how many centimeters make 1 meter? Yes, 100 centimeters will make 1 meter. Yes, 100 centimeters equals to 1 meter. So we will guess here. We will do that which one will be measured in centimeter. That means centimeters are the smaller unit and meters are the larger, longer unit. Okay, so we will see which will be measured in meters and which will be in centimeters. So for meters we will write M. For meters we will write M, and for centimeters we will write cm. Okay, so let us start. Width of a computer screen. So width of a computer screen, it can't be measured in meters because it will be very larger unit. So it will be measured in centimeters. So let me write here cm. Cm, centimeter. Length of pagdi worn by Sikh. So you have seen Sikh wear pagdi. Yes. So those pagdi we will measure. The length of the pagdi will be measured in meters. So I will write here M. So all of you write here M. Height of a 1-year-old child. So height of a 1-year-old child will not be in meter. It will be in centimeter. So let me write here cm. Let me write it properly. Cm. Length of a banana. Obviously, it will be measured in centimeter because centimeter is the smaller unit. So cm. Cm. Centimeter. Waist of an elephant. You know the waist of elephant is very big. So we can't measure it in centimeter. It will be very long for that. So we will measure it in meter. So m. Height of a sugar cane. Height of a sugar cane also we will measure in meter because it will be very long. So height of a sugar cane we will measure in meter. Depth of a well. Have you seen a well? Yes, it is very deep. You shouldn't go nearby the well. So depth of a well we will measure in. It's very deep, it's very long. So we will measure in, correct, we will measure in meter. Now height of your mother. Height of a mother will be also measured in meter. We can measure in centimeter also, but meter will be easier one. Okay. Distance from classroom to school gate. So your school gate is little far away from the classroom. So it will be measured by the larger unit. And what is that unit? That unit is meter. Now next, length of your father's arm. So the length of your father's arm is not 1 meter. So we will measure it in centimeter. So next children, trip to Agra. Mary and Baichung are going with their family to Agra. They get down at Agra Cant railway station and take a rickshaw to Taj Mahal. After 3 hours, they start for Agra Fort, again in a rickshaw. In the afternoon, they take a bus to go Fatehpur Sikri. So Mary and Baichung, they are going with their family to Agra and they get at Agra Cant railway station and take a rickshaw to Taj Mahal. After 3 hours, they started for Agra Fort and again rickshaw in the afternoon. They take a bus to reach Fatehpur Sikri, and here is a map for that. Yes, here is a map of Agra. So we will see the map and do the give the answers of the question. So Agra Cant railway station to Taj Mahal is 5 km. Taj Mahal to Agra Fort is 2 kilometer. Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri. You can see Agra Cant is here. Yes, Agra Cant to railway station. It is just 5 kilometer. And Taj Mahal to Agra Fort. It is 2 kilometer only. Agra Fort is here and Fatehpur Sikri is here. So it is very very far away from Agra Fort. So it is how many kilometer? 40 kilometer. Yes. So which is farther from Agra Cant? Railway station, Taj Mahal or Fatehpur Sikri? So your answer is which is farther from Agra Cant? Railway station, Taj Mahal or Fatehpur Sikri? Yes, it is Fatehpur Sikri. So here you will write Fatehpur Sikri. F A T E H P U R Fatehpur S I K R I. Here you will write Fatehpur Sikri. So which one of this symbol shows the railway line? Now which one of this is nearer to the railway line? You can see this is a railway line. Let me erase all these things from first. Okay. So this is a railway line. And here the question is which of these is nearer to the railway line? Barbara Forest or Taj Forest? So Barbara, this is a railway line. Barbara Forest is here and Taj Forest is here. Barbara Forest is here and Taj Forest is here. So I think so Taj Forest is very far. So here you will write Barbara Forest. So start writing, sorry, it is not Barbara, it is Barbarpur Forest. So start writing Barbarpur. How you will write Barbarpur? Spelling is there. B-A-B-A-R. Barbar. P-U-R. Barbarpur Forest. Barbarpur Forest. Now next, Agra Fort or Taj Mahal? Which one is nearby to railway line? Agra Fort or Taj Mahal? You can see Agra Fort is nearer to, Taj Mahal is nearby to railway line. So here I will write Taj Mahal. So all of you start writing Taj Mahal here. T-A-J. Taj. M-A-H-A-L. Taj Mahal. Which is closer to river Yamuna? Which one is closer to river Yamuna? You can see river Yamuna is here. And which one? Agra Fort or Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is closer to river Yamuna. So you will write Taj Mahal here. T-A-J. Taj. M-A-H-A-L. Taj Mahal. Now next question. Which is closer to river Yamuna? Okay, the answer, sorry, this is not the question. Which is, let me erase this all. Which is closer to river Yamuna? Taj Mahal or railway station? Let me see which one is closer to river Yamuna. River Yamuna is here, Taj Mahal is here, railway station is here. So Taj Mahal is closer to river Yamuna. So write Taj Mahal. T-A-J. Taj. M-A-H-A-L. Taj Mahal. So in this way you will write the answer. Let me tell you again. Which is farther from Agra Cant, railway station, Taj Mahal or Fatehpur Sikri? The answer is Fatehpur Sikri because it is 40 kilometer away. Next, which of this is nearer to railway line? Barbarpur Forest or Taj Forest? So the answer is Barbarpur Forest. Third answer, Agra Fort or Taj Mahal? The answer is Taj Mahal. And the last answer, which is closer to river Yamuna, Taj Mahal or railway station? The answer is Taj Mahal. So hope it is clear to you all. Now match the correct length. You have to match the correct length. See, length of an earthworm, height of a child, width of a finger nail, length of a sari, and distance from home to school. So you have to guess and you have to match the length. So let us see length of an earthworm. So what can be a length of an earthworm? It can be of 10 centimeter. Yes, the length of an earthworm can be of 10 centimeter. So match this with this. Next, excuse me children, height of a child. So height of a child can be of 1 meter. Yes, she can be of 1 meter. So let us measure in 1 meter. Width of a nail. So width of a nail is very short. So it can be of 1 centimeter. So width of a nail will be matched with 1 centimeter. Length of a sari. So length of a sari is very long. It is 5 meter. And distance from home to school, it is about, it can be about 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer. So in this way you will match. Okay, length of an earthworm is 10 centimeter. Height of a child can be up to length of an earthworm 10 centimeter. Height of a child can be of 1 meter. Width of a nail 1 centimeter. Length of a sari to 5 meters, and distance from a school is 2 kilometers. So in this way you will match. Now this is the last page of the chapter, children, the long tail competition. The animal in this picture has a competition. See, there are so many animals. There is a monkey, there's a pig, there's a cow, there is an elephant, and there is a mouse. So what you have to do, who had the longest tail won a prize. Now there was a competition among them for their longest tail. So just now, who do you think won the first prize and who won the second? Just guess the longest tail. So you have to guess the longest tail. Okay, there's a lizard also. So can you tell me who won the longest tail? And there's a snake also. Do I have a tail? Snake is thinking himself, do I have a tail? So according to me, monkey has the longest tail. Yes, so we will write a monkey, and cow won the second prize. So let me write a monkey. You will also write monkey here. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. So monkey was the winner because it has the longest tail. So hope, children, whatever we have done in the chapter is clear to you all. I will see you in the next class with a new chapter or a revision work. Thank you, everyone.